In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password page on Shopify. If your storefront still shows a password screen, it means your shop is locked to visitors. This is great while you're building, but once you're ready to launch, you'll want to make your site public. I'll walk you through logging in, confirming your plan if needed, and turning off password protection so customers can browse and buy without a barrier. Start by going to Shopify's website and clicking Login. Enter the email address associated with your store, choose to continue with email, then enter your password and log in. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in your admin, you may see a banner prompting you to select a plan. Shopify requires an active plan before you can remove the password page. Click Select a Plan and choose the option that fits your business. You're simply activating your store. If you're still in a trial, selecting a plan doesn't automatically end your trial period, but it does enable features like removing the storefront password. Review the billing details, confirm, and then return to your admin dashboard. Back on the admin, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the area that controls what customers see. Find the password protection section and click Edit Password to open those settings. Here you'll see the option that restricts your storefront to visitors with a password. Toggle password protection off. When you disable this, your store becomes publicly accessible to anyone who visits your domain. Make sure to save your changes. A few tips as you finish up. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment and refresh your storefront. Browsers cache pages, so opening your site in a private or incognito window can help you confirm it's truly public. Double check that the theme you want is published so visitors see the correct design. Remember that once the password is off, search engines can start indexing your site, so review your homepage, navigation, and key product pages to ensure everything looks polished. If you're not quite ready for the world to see your store, you can always come back to the same setting and toggle password protection back on. That's it. You've logged in, selected a plan if prompted, navigated to the online store settings, edited the password area, and turned off password protection. Your storefront is now live and open for business.